Deciphering the phrase, GOAT, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might hear often, especially in the world of sports, entertainment, and social media. GOAT. Let's delve into its meaning, origin, and how to use it correctly. When you first hear the word goat, you might think of the domesticated animal, known for its beard, horns, and the sound it makes. Bah! It's one of the oldest domesticated species and is used for its milk, meat, and fur in many parts of the world. However, in the context of slang, GOAT stands for greatest of all time. It's an acronym used to describe someone who is believed to be the best in their field or category. So, when someone is referred to as the GOAT, it's a high compliment, indicating that the person is unparalleled in their expertise or skill. Here are some examples to clarify its usage. 1. Many people believe that Michael Jordan is the GOAT in basketball. 2. Beyoncé is often hailed as the GOAT in the world of music and performance. 3. Who do you think is the GOAT when it comes to painting? The term GOAT became popular in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. It has been widely used in pop culture, especially after the release of LL Cool J's album titled GOAT in 2000. Over the years, the term has transcended the world of music and is now used in a variety of fields, from sports to entertainment and beyond. 1. GOAT is a positive term. It's a compliment. 2. It can be used as a noun. For instance, he is the GOAT. 3. It's always in the context of being the best at something. So, the next time you hear someone mentioning the word GOAT in a conversation, you'll now know they're not necessarily talking about the animal. They might just be discussing who they believe is the best in a particular domain. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning and stay curious.